In this video, we will look at how to customize and export graphs from report sheets in Origin. These features were introduced in version 2025B. Let's start with a report sheet that was created by generating run charts on multiple columns of data. Let's click on one of the graphs. A mini toolbar pops up. In this toolbar, let's click on the button to change graph size and arrangement. In the dialog, you can see the current graph width is 550 pixels. Let's change that to 700. Now you can see the graph got wider. If you like this setting, you can click the Set as Default button. In this dialog, you can decide if you want to set this width value for all reports or for only this particular tool. Now let's look at customizing the graph style. We bring up the mini toolbar again. This time, we click on the first button to open the graph for editing. Note that you can also simply double-click on the graph in the report to open it. Let's make some changes to the graph, such as applying a layer background color and turning on grid lines for the axes. Let's put the graph back into the report. You will see that only one graph has been changed. To apply the styles to all graphs in the report, we can use the mini toolbar again and click on the last button to apply styles. All graphs in the report now have the same style. Let's see how to export or send these graphs to PowerPoint. If you click on a single graph, the mini toolbar has buttons to send that particular graph to PowerPoint or Word. If you click on the report outside of all graphs, the mini toolbar that pops up also has these buttons. Let's click on the PowerPoint button. You can see that all graphs from the report were sent to PowerPoint. We now switch to another report. This report sheet has results from linear regression performed on multiple columns. You can see the graphs are arranged as multiple columns and rows in the report. Let us click on a graph to open the mini toolbar and select the second button again. In the dialog, you can see the number of columns is set to auto, and the auto setting for this tool is 3. Let us change it to 2 and apply. You can see that all fit graphs are now arranged in 2 columns. Again, you can click the Set as Default button and set this to apply for all tools or for only this tool. If I now scroll further down, we see the residual graphs are still not rearranged. Let's open the dialog again. And you can see there is a checkbox to apply the arrangement to all graph branches in the report. Now, both branches have the arrangement as 2 columns. I also want to point out that under the Preferences menu, there is a dialog for report styles. In this dialog, you can change graph width and number of columns for all report sheets. For columns, 0 means that the report for each tool will follow the individual settings for that tool. Hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.